Peter again with Snacks in the Stacks. Today we're going to be getting into some Thai curry. To help us in this, we're going to need the assistance of Master Chef Jet Tila in his book, 101 Asian Dishes You Need to Cook Before You Die. These are available at CPL locations. If they are not available at your local one, you can always order it with staff or order it yourself online 24/7. Jet Tila is a master chef known worldwide. He's the food ambassador to Thailand. He has the oldest Thai restaurant in this country, and he's just a wonder to learn from. Nothing but gourmet dishes to lighter stuff, whatever it is you wish to cook in Asian culture. This is a great book to have. I would suggest reading it and getting into it. The issue is, though, I don't have all the ingredients here today, so we're gonna have to go shopping first. So let's get this day started. This book is a must-have if you're getting into Asian culture cooking. Jet Tila is a master chef in this, as I said. He has lots of tips in here on the flavors you'll be working with, the utensils such as the wok, and the tips you might need to use one comfortably. He also has recipes in here for savory dishes, common and uncommon alike. He has lighter side dishes, sour, sweet, and then sometimes everything combined together, giving you that umami flavor. Grilling dishes, and let's be honest here, who's gonna say no to some Korean tacos? Not me. So if you're looking for a place where to find all the ingredients, this place is literally as big as Home Depot. And the heretic phrase that we don't like using in the library is, you can literally Google it. These are some of the items I picked up from the store. You will need some sweet Thai basil, some lime leaves, bamboo shoots, jasmine rice, onions, red pepper, tamarind paste, coconut milk and cream, and some Panang red curry. Those are for me. Now we're going to get to our Thai lime leaves. You're going to want to chiffonade these. So you're going to roll them as tightly as possible. Then you're going to cut them into very thin ribbons. This is going to go into your mix later for the curry. This is what gives it that very strong curry element and flavor and smell, which you really want with your mix. You're going to want about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the coconut cream first. We're going to cook this down almost into a slurry, which is going to be the base of our curry. Now we're going to add our curry paste. This is Panang red curry. You're going to slurry this in, and you're going to make it almost a type of roux, which is also what you want with the base of this. Let it thicken and let it cook for another couple minutes until ready. Now we're going to add our Thai lime leaves. Let this cook down also with the mix you have. It's going to take a few minutes, but the aroma that comes from this with your final product when the dish is done is going to smell amazing, and this will also give it that curry flavor that you want. Now if you want to make this a little spicier, like I like it, you can add some sambal to this. Mix it in also with everything else, and it'll give it a more robust heat. You're going to want to cook this all together for about 15-20 minutes. The texture you are looking for is about that of hot peanut butter, which is what you need. Now we're going to add our peppers and onions. You're going to want to let this sweat together with your curry mix so it takes on all the flavor / adds more flavor to your mix. The sweetness from the onions and the peppers are key in this dish. So let them all saute together a little bit as they coat. Now we're going to add our sweet Thai basil. Mix this in also and let it coat with everything else so it's going to unleash its aroma and its flavor. Now we're going to add our coconut milk. Do not shake up the can. Simply pour in slowly and stir in with your mix. Now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients and flavors. I'm going to put in the bamboo shoots first because these don't have a lot of flavor, but they will take in a lot of flavor. Next, we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. That is gluten-free fish sauce. You need to watch out for that if you are a celiac or sensitive to gluten. We're going to throw in our tamarind paste. This will take a little bit longer to cook down, but you can just throw it in there. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use cane sugar. Mix it all together and then let it cook down again for about another 10 to 20 minutes uncovered so this thickens up a little and it's not too loose. Now I'm going to add my protein. Just take some chicken breast, dice it up, and yes, you're going to throw this in raw. It's going to steam up and stay tender and juicy with your mix. The wonderful thing about this dish is it does not have to have meat in it. You can also add other vegetables and other things to this to make it more suitable for yourself if you're not into meat. Stir together and then let it sit for another 20 minutes. Forgot to mention to always cook this dish with the lid off. That way it keeps thickening up as you add more liquid to it.